Akin, everybody, welcome on board. This is Andy Diolu, all the way from Cairo. I'm a Nigerian. I love you. I welcome everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. This is another awesome year, 2020. Yes, 2020, January. Love you guys. Yes, I think today is January 10. Yeah, today is January 11. Thank you guys. 11. Today is 11th of January. Welcome on board. We are still on weekend and we start work tomorrow. I greet everybody. Then the Valentine that is around the corner will surely meet us well. Yes, let me go straight into the point. Your girl, your damsel, continue to subscribe. Please subscribe and continue to empower your damsel. I love you. To whom it may concern, especially colleagues out there, there are procedures, strategy for everything. Don't be anyhow. You might be like, what's our business? Yeah, it might not be my business. But if you check the world today, a lot of occupations, a lot of what people do for living are cast. To be idle is one thing, and to be doing other things that are cast. Yes, you might be earning a living, it might be a prestige, but before it becomes koto kodara darada, you are a reporter, I'm a reporter. You are a mass communicationist, I'm a mass communicationist. You are a presenter, I'm a presenter. You are a media agent, I'm a media agent. What do you think makes most of all television stations, almost all television stations, what do you think makes them to be a professional? Yes, I'm coming to the title of this segment. Yes, it's all about him. It's all about our wonderful, beloved man of God, okay? I'm still coming to that. What makes other platforms like TV channels, wonderful TV channels, professionals is because they are not anyhow. A lot of people out there, so far anything is an update, is a news, is a gist, you update anything updatable on your platform. Oh, my earring, please excuse me guys. I gotta put my earring. You update anything updatable. Is it cool? It's not cool. You don't update anything updatable in the name of updates. So far I'm a media agent, so far I'm a reporter, I'm a mass communicationist. Don't you have an area of specialization? If you don't have, go and check yourself. You gotta have areas of specialization. I know it's none of my business, but a lot of occupations I can name and go on and on. They are what people do for a living, yet it has been cast, it has been outcast. People no longer regard, as soon as you mention it, people will be like, they will just say something else. Please, a lot of Dick and Harry out there are media. I'm not envious of anybody. I'm not jealous. I'm not objecting it. I keep saying it. I don't have to know you before we work together as a team. Stop updating trash. Don't let anything be catching your attention, no matter how controversial, no matter how uncontroversial. A lot of people out there. Now, the latest gist in town is our Leke Adeboye, the son of our noble daddy RCCG, Papa Adeboye. His message about offering, fruit offering of the first year, or how do they call it? A lot of you people, leave all these men of God alone. Let God be their judge. Christ has said it. Thou shalt not judge. Especially when men of God are in question. Leave them alone. They are not forcing all these people to be going to church. I told you I'm not religious. Yes, my stand is Christ. But I refuse to be. Do you understand? I hate all this hypocrisy, practice religion, carrying it for head. I've stopped going to church a while ago when I see that a lot of churches do not get their bearing, and I'm not ready to try another. Christ is everywhere. They are not controlling all these people. They are not forcing all these people. Leave all these men of God alone, especially those of you that took it for their own obligation, anything. Some people, I've seen many platforms, they are even the one finding fault on these men of God. They are even the one finding fault on people out there. No wonder a lot of bloggers are being paid to bring out false news. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn Ọlọ́run mo rọ̀ yín, àwọn people yìí wà lórí iṣẹ́ yìí o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn Ọlọ́run mo bá yín wí, ṣì jẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn kan gba àbẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ yín. That is the latest updates that they inform me that a lot of people are bribed because of you men of God out there. Men of God, take care. Take care, please. You need to watch it. All these bloggers, a lot of blasphemers among us that they are taking bribe. They are taking all sort of. No wonder some people on their platform wọ́n á máa ranjú fún wọ́n á máa fẹ́ fún mama rò pé ṣojú update yìí náà lọ ni. A lot of my colleagues out there, if you see what they do on their platform because of others controversial updates or gist, they will have part 6, they will have part 12, they will come wọ́n á máa fẹ́ jú fún not knowing that a lot of them have been bribed. It does not matter your challenges, your chronicle. Don't let money govern your life. Ẹ tó bá ń jẹ́ kí owó máa ṣe ìṣàkóso ayé, ẹrú owó ló máa ṣe kú. Money is nothing. Yes, you might not have that money. Don't allow money to govern your life. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ pé ìgbésí ayé owó ló wá láyé, ẹrú owó ló máa ṣe kú. And a lot of people out there that you look at people from afar. Ẹ wò mí ní ìsìn, check me out. Ẹ wò bí mo ṣe wà sórí tí mo wà sọ́rùn bíi ta láàfin. Tí ilé bàbá mi ló gùn mí. We are the year one days. We are from royal family. Ó gùn mí lénìí ni. Look at my bid of royalty. Ẹ wo bí mo ṣe wà sórí tí mo wà sọ́rùn. Ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ tọwọ́ yẹn, the one for the hand, is on that chair there. It's giving me chronicles. That's why I just dump it. I'm not ready for stress. A lot of people, they use costume, Photoshop. One wonderful, amazing actress, Titi Jawasiri, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ tòótọ́. They use costume, Photoshop and all that to cover all these chronicles in their life. And you will be like, you will be hating yourself that God is unfair to you. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin aláìní ìtẹ́lọ́rùn níbẹ̀ yẹn mo ń wò yín ṣó ti yé yín. Mo ní ẹ wo bí mo ṣe wà sórí tí mo wà sọ́rùn nísìnyí. Tílé ọba tí mo ti wá, òun ló gùn mí. Bó ṣe wù mí kí n rí lẹ́yìn nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó máa ń ṣe báyìí gbogbo ìgbà ẹ ní mọ̀ pé tó ń tẹ́lòmíì ńlá kọjá bí kó lọ kú dànù ni. Ò ní mọ̀ pé wọ́n gan bẹ́tà ẹlòmíì. Continue to be yourself. Ẹ máa fi orí wí orí. Ẹ máa wago aláago ṣiṣẹ́. Mo ń já yín sí a lot of things. I'm educating you people. I'm leaking some inner secrets to you people. Forget about costume. Although if somebody can live large, I'm not saying, but a lot of people out there are unreal. Don't look up to anybody and start hating yourself and go and don't let them push you to the wall unnecessarily. Èèyàn kan la gbọ́, we were told just a recent, èèyàn kan tó kò ní jẹ́ àmì lórí platform la gbọ́ pé owó kínkínní. She messed up because of little money. And if you see this person I'm talking about, you will think, this person and DJ Copy, they are on the same level. Ebi pẹ̀lú mi, wọ́n fi aṣọ bò àṣírí ni. Some people's life are decorated with Photoshop and costume. What they go through underneath. In fact, the most righteous being is better than them. Please, this is year 2020. Be focused. Don't be distracted unreasonably. Every presenter, media agent out there, stop being distracted. Not anything you think is controversial or anything is shocking enough should be updated on your platform. I keep lamenting it. Many of you are unprofessional. You don't have any role of any area of specialization. This year, make a new amendment for your platform, for your profession. Be professional, be real. How can just anything be? And a lot of you are on the neck of all these men of God, all these people of God. What do they do for una? God is the one that will judge them. A lot of your propaganda, or how is it called it? A lot of all this crap. You don't have any better thing to do with that platform. Ọlọ́run á máa ṣàánú, may the Lord have mercy. And Didi Olu Media's channel foundation, Lamentations. Please, all these things, if we can get our bearing, if you can if we can stay on our lane and not miss the track, it will work for both of us, so that this same wonderful our this wonderful occupation is not, it will not eventually be cast. A lot of occupation out there, a lot of profession have been cast, name it, they will say ṣeṣe nìyẹn. That we, some people are not bold enough to say it out there that I'm this, I'm a journalist, I'm this and that. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má jẹ́ kí iṣẹ́ wa cast. Don't let this our job be cast. I so much fancy it. I'm proud to be a presenter, to be a reporter. There are some things, it's not anything. Have a role of special. Okay, bó ṣe ṣe Ọlọ́run náà ló. If it's all these men of God, that is your calling. Based on it. Based on it. I guarantee you, don't just be, you will go to some platform. Hey, my goodness, it's a total error. You people are so, honestly, you people are unbearable and impossible. Please, nobody is against you. Hey, this is year 2020. It's not too late. Let's be optimistic. And those of you that are easily, you are easily bought by petty money. Ebi ò bá tiẹ̀ máa pààyàn, tá lè bí ò pa. Èmi ò ní wá sí online láti wá máa plan, láti wá máa fọ́nu. I will not come online to start come and be deceiving you people. If anybody tell you they don't have challenge, it's a lie. A lot of people do all this rubbish because of many things. Some are looking for attention. Some, you might be a blogger, but you are haters. Some, their mind is very black. They will never update anything positive. Oh. They will be finding fault, even if they don't see fault. Like, there's nothing for me. Oh, well, I've been checking media so far for like 2 days. Nothing much. But I thank God that God is still giving me some things to come out, to update. A lot of people will create, some bloggers will even claim that they are the one creating news, fabricating lies about important personality just to catch the attention of others. When an issue is going on between one thing or another, you will see them start exposing each other. Oríṣiríṣi làwọn èèyàn fi wá ń gbà ṣeṣẹ́ oníròyìn tá à ń ṣe. Ẹlòmíì ṣe torí pé oníròbìnú jẹ́ oníbànújẹ́ ọkàn ni. Ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ ń ṣe torí pé ó fẹ́ káyé wo ọ̀dọ̀ òun. Oríṣiríṣi ìdí tí ò lọ́pọlọ lẹ́lòmíì fi wà lórí mídíà. Unreasonable reasons. Some people are here with us. What is your motive? What is your aim for year 2020? Your profession wise. The Lord will help us. I gotta go. Please, why are you criticizing Adeleke? Leave Adeleke, the son of Baba Adeboye of Redeem, alone. No. Leave this guy alone. He has not done anything wrong. Somebody said he even hates him because he's too proud. Even at times, he was told to come and apologize, and his apology is not from the bottom of his heart. Leave him. Let God be the judge. Leave all these men of God. Who are you to be criticizing your fellow human being? He's so arrogant. He's this, he's that. Many times he comes to apologize. You will know that he's being forced. What about you? What about you? Leave all these people alone so that calamity upon calamity. Ègún ayérayé lẹ fi ṣeré yẹn tẹ́ bá wá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Èmi ò sẹ́ pa àwọn kan mọ́. I'm not saying some people are holy, they are clean. But my spirit keeps telling me that it's better we leave some things to God. Èèyàn náà kankan kò fi pá bẹ́ẹ̀ni kankan kó máa lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì alábòsí oníṣekúṣe onírìnkúrìn ló pọ̀ jù láàrin yín. Some of you are low life. You are the cause of your own misfortune. All these men of God are not forcing una. They are not forcing una. I've been into such experience before. When I was still a church goer, nobody forced me. They might be too smart or anything with their Bible, but nobody is forcing anybody. Ẹ̀yin ló ní rìnkúnrìn. Those of you who are low life out there, thank you guys. Sorry, I still love you. Subscribe, go Gbaski. I love you guys. I gotta go. Your girl is on. Love you. Thank you so much.